Good morning, students. Today I am going to start new chapter 4, determinants. What is a determinant, student? With every square matrix, we associate a unique number called the determinant of the matrix. It is denoted by determinant A dat A or determinant of A. Okay. So this is the sign of determinant. Two vertical lines are there. So this is the sign of determinant, student. If there is a matrix A, so its determinant is denoted by two vertical lines, and A, it is read as determinant of a square matrix A. And remember, we cannot read it as mod A. Okay, it is not a mod A, it is determinant of square matrix A. Okay, students, so what is determinant? Determinant is a number, you can say, okay, by which we can express a square matrix. Okay, always remember, students, only square matrices have determinants. Non-square matrices do not have determinants. Okay, so let us the method of finding determinant. So determinant of a square matrix of order 1. You can see this is a square matrix, student. Only one element is there, one row, one column. So it is a square matrix. So its determinant is the element itself. Okay, for example, A equals to a matrix of order 1 by 1. So its determinant of A equals to 2, because only one element is there, so its determinant is the number itself. Okay, now students, determinant of a square matrix of order 2. So student, you can see A is a matrix of 2 by 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns, so its order is 2. So in first row, elements will be A11, A12. In second row, A21, A22. So students, its determinant equals to, student, we have to multiply first diagonally. A11 is multiplied with A22. Then we have to put minus sign. Then multiply second one, A21 multiplied by A12. So its determinant equals to A11 multiplied by A22 minus A21 multiplied by A12. This is the value of determinant of order 2. So students, let us take one example. A equals to 2, 8, 4 minus 5. We have to find out its determinant. So determinant of A, student, first multiply 2 minus 5. So minus 10. Then we have to multiply 4 to 8. 4 8 is 32. And we have to put minus sign between them. Minus 10 minus 32 equals to minus 42. Okay, students. Let us take one more example of order 2. A equals to cos 15 degree, sin 15 degree, sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree. We have to find out its determinant, student. So determinant of A, first multiply this diagonally, A11 to A22. The answer is cos square 15. Now we have to multiply this one. A21 to A12. Okay, student. It is sine square 15. We have to put minus sign between them, student. Cos square 15 minus sine square 15. This is the formula of cos 2a. Cos square a minus sine square a equals to cos 2a. So cos 2 value of a 15. So it is cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 upon 2. So its determinant equals to root 3 upon 2. Student, remember the determinant of a square matrix will be a number, a real number or a complex number. Okay. Now students, determinant of a square matrix of order 3. So student, this is a matrix of order 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. So it is a square matrix of order 3. In first row, A11, A12, A13. Second row, student, you know, A21, A22, A23. Third row, A31, A32, A33. So students, its determinant can be obtained by 6 methods. We can expand it along any row or any column. So there are 3 rows, students. So by 3 methods we can find out its determinant by using rows, or we can find out its determinant by using the column, by first column, or by using second column, or by using third column. This is up to us, student. So here I am going to expand it along R1, row 1. Correct, students? So determinant of A, correct, equals to what is the first element here in first row? A11, A11 will come here. Before writing the element, student, here we have to add its position. Value of I and j we have to add. The value of I1 and value of j1. Correct? So 1, 1, 2. We have to add both of them, student. 2 is an even number. So plus sign will be here. If the addition of value of I and j is an odd number, then we have to put minus sign, student, before it. Correct? So A11 along first row we are going to expand it. So A11, add both of them, 1, 1, 2. 2 is an even number, so we have to put here plus sign. Correct? Now students, this element has been written here. So we have to delete the row and the column in which this element lies. Correct? So we have to delete A11 row. So this will be deleted. And the column in which A11 lies. So this column is deleted. So what are the left values? This part is left, student. A22, A23, A32, A33. So these 4 values will be written here in the form of determinant, student. Correct? Okay, now we are expanding it along R1, student. The first element we have written. Now we have to write second element, student. A12 here. Again the same procedure will be there. Add both of them. The position, value of I and j. So the sum is coming 3. 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is an odd number, student. So that's why we have to put minus sign here. Correct? Now we have to delete the row and column in which A12 lies. So A12 lies in first row. So first row will be deleted, correct? And A12 lies in second column, student. The second column will be deleted. So what are the left values after deleted? A1, A21, A31, A23 and A33 left. So these four values A21, A31, A23, A33 we have to write here in the form of determinant of order 2 by 2. Correct? So two elements we have already written. One element left, student, of first row. So now we have to write this element A13. Correct? Add the position value of I and j. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 is an even number. So we have to put plus sign, student. Correct? Okay, now the row and column we have to delete in which A13 lies. A13 lies in third column. So third column deleted. And A13 lies in first row. The first row will be deleted. So what are the left values? These four values are left, student. A21, A22, A31, A32. So these four values should be written here. A21, A22, A31, A32. Correct? Now student, we have to do calculation. A11 will be written as it is. And this determinant we have to find out as we found here of order 2 by 2. Correct? The same way we have to find its determinant here, student. So A22 multiplied by A33 minus A32 multiplied by A23. As I told you, we have to put minus sign, students. Minus A12 will be as it is. The same procedure will be here, student. Multiply A21 to A33 minus A31 into A23 plus A13 is there, student. We have to write plus A13. The same procedure will be here, student. A21 multiplied by A32 minus A31 multiplied by A22. Then we have to do calculation, students. Okay. So let us take one example, student. For example, A equals to a matrix of order 3 by 3, student. So first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. So it is a square matrix of order 3, student. So as I told you, there are 6 methods of finding the determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Okay. So I am going to expand it along R1, student. Expanding along R1, yeah, first row. Correct? So the same method I am going to use here, student. Determinant of A, because matrix is denoted by A here, that's why we have to write a determinant of A. I am expanding it along first row. The first element we have to write 3. 3 is at A11. 1, 1, 2 even position. We have to write 3 as it is and plus sign. And now we have to delete the row and column, student. So this row and this column will be deleted. These are the left elements. We have to write them 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. And determinant sign we have to put. Now we have to write second element, student, minus 2. Now check its position. It is A12. Okay. So A12 when we add, it is coming 3. So we have to put minus sign before it. Now delete its row and column, student, in which minus 2 lies. So second column and first row will be deleted. Left values 1, 0, 1 minus 1. So these value will be written as it is, student, and put the determinant sign. Now third element of row 1, student, 4. Write 4 here and check its position. It is at A13. So 3 plus 1 coming 4, even number. So we have to put plus sign here, student. Now delete its row. First row will be deleted and delete its column in which it lies. Third column is deleted. Left values are these 4. 1 0 2 1 1 0 2 1. Now do calculation, student. So 3 will come as it is. Its determinant 2 minus 1. 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 minus of formula 1 into 1 1. Minus minus plus, student, plus 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus of formula 0 into 1 0, plus 4, student. Now 1 1 ja 1 and 0 2 ja 0. We have to put minus sign, student, between them. So determinant of A equals to 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 plus 4 1 minus 0 1. Do the calculation. 3 3 ja minus 9 plus minus 2 plus 4. So minus 11 plus 4 minus 7. So minus 7 is the determinant of this matrix, students. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. It is a square matrix of order 3. So we have changed this matrix into a number minus 7. So minus 7 is the determinant of this matrix. Student, we can find out its determinant by expanding it along second row. Okay, so I am going to expand it along second row also, students, so that you can easily understand. The same answer will be there, student. Expanding along second row. Okay. So determinant of A, second row, student. This is the second row. So we have to write first A21. Written here, student, A21. Add the position, its position, value of I and J, 2 plus 1 3. Odd. So we have to put minus sign, student. Now, student, we have to delete A21. Okay, its rows and column. So it lies in first column. The first column deleted. It lies in second row. Second row deleted. Left value A12, A13, A32, A33. So these value we have to write here: A12, A13, A32, A33. Now second element we have to take of second row, A22. So plus A22, student. Add 2 plus 2 4, even. We have to put plus sign. Now, student, A22 is there. To delete its column and its row, left elements are A11, A31, A13, A33. So A11, A31, A13, A33. Now third element of second row, student, A23. So we have to write third element of A, second row, A23. Add both of them. 2 plus 3, 5. Odd number. We have to put minus sign, student. Now, student, we have to delete the row and column in which it lies. So it lies in third column. So third column deleted. It lies in second row deleted. Left elements A11, A12, A31, A32. A11, A12, A31, A32. Correct? So by same way, let us solve the same example, student. Now I am going to expand it along second row. Correct? So determinant of A, first element is 1. We have to write 1. Correct? It lies at the position A21. 2 plus 1, 3. Odd number. We have to put minus sign. Now delete its column and row. The first column deleted and second row deleted. Left element minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, minus 2, 4, 1 minus 1 written. Now second element student 2. 2 is written here. Its position, it is at the position of A22. 2 plus 2, 4. Even number. That's why we have to put plus sign. Now delete its column and row. So second column deleted, second row deleted. Left element 3, 4, 0 minus 1. 3, 4, 0 minus 1. Now third element of this row 1. So we have to write 1 here. Check its position student. It is at A23. 2 plus 3, 5. Odd number. Correct? So we have to put minus sign. Minus 1. Now delete its column and row. Third column deleted, second row deleted, left elements 3, minus 2, 0, 1. So we have to write 3 minus 2, 0, 1. And by same way, let us do calculation student. Minus 1 as it is, minus 2 into minus 1, 2, minus a formula 1 into 4, 4, plus 2, 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 and 0 into 4 0 minus is the formula minus 1 3 1 ja 3 0 into minus 2 0. Okay students, let us do calculation. Minus 1 into minus 2 and 2 into minus 3 minus 1 into 3. So you can see student minus 1 into minus 2, 2 into minus 3 and minus 1 into 3. So it is 2 minus 6 minus 3. So 2 minus 9 minus 7. The same answer is coming students. In starting I expand it along first row, answer minus 7, and the same question I expanded along second row and again the answer is minus 7. Now student, one more method I am going to use here. I am going to expand along first column. First column elements are A11, A21, A31. We have to write A11, A21, A31 written. Check its position. 112 even plus sign, 21 odd minus sign, 31 even plus sign. Now we have to delete the row and column in which they lying. So A11 is lying in first row. So first row and first column deleted, left elements A22, A23, A32, A33. Written here A22, A23, A32, A33. Then A21, this row and column should be deleted. Second row deleted, first column, left element A12, A13, A32, A33. Correct student? Now third element A31 student, delete its row and column. So third row and first column deleted, left element A12, A13, A22, A23. Correct. This is the method. Let us solve the example by using first column. So I am going to expand it by along first column. Correct student? So determinant of A I have written first. Column elements are 3, 1, 0. So I have written 3, 1, 0. So 3 is at a position of A11. That's a plus sign. It is A21. Correct? So 2 plus 1, 3 minus sign. And 0 is at position A31. 3, 1, 4 even position. We have to put plus. Correct? So when we have to write 3 here, so then its row and column should be deleted. So first row and first column deleted, left elements 2, 1, 1 minus 1. Correct? Now second element student, its row and column deleted. So second row and first column deleted, left element minus 2, 4, 1 minus 1. minus 2 4, 1 minus 1. Now student, third element 0, so its rows and column related. First column and third row deleted. Left element minus 2 2 4 1. Now let us solve 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 4 plus 0 minus 2 minus 8. Correct student? So 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 1 into minus 2, it is 0, so not a got right. So plus 2 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. I have solved this example by 3 methods student. First, expanding it along first row, then expanding it along second row, then expanding it along first column. And every time we have got the same answer. Okay students? So as I told, there are 6 methods. You can expand it along R1 or R2 or R3 or C1, C2 or C3. Answer will be same. Okay students, have a nice day.